Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how the cast feature works in a Windows operating system. Make sure that your system is updated to the latest version. I have already an update over here, but that is not necessary at the moment. So what I mentioned is the cast feature, which is also the connect tab here. As you can see, this is the connect tab over here. When you click it, as you can see, let me show you what it does in a brief moment, and then we'll get to the place how we can process all these procedures. So as you can see, this is my phone screen. It can be shared on to my computer and can be used as a second screen. We won't be able to operate from the computer, but we can only operate from phone and we can just look at the screen. That is the only advantage of the cast feature or the connect tab. So to get this started, at first what we need to do is to see if the system supports the cast feature. At first, what you need to do is right click on your start menu and select the Windows PowerShell admin, or you can type cmd in search bar and then right click on the command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, and then this thing will pop up. Over here what we need to do is we need to use this command, which is netsh space wlan space show space driver. So let me type in this over here real quick. Space space show space driver, and this thing will show over here. In this thing what you need to check is the wireless display supported. The graphics card should be saying yes, and the Wi-Fi driver also should be saying yes. If one of them is no, then it's not possible for the miracast feature. Besides this, one more thing that you need to check is in search bar type as manage optional features and click on this one. Hold on a sec, this was open. Manage optional features and click on this one, and in it over here you will see the install features listed over here. In it, search for wireless display, and you can see it's already installed over here. But in case upon entering wireless display and nothing displayed over here, that means you have not installed the wireless display feature. If that is so, what you have to do is click on the plus icon over here which says add a feature, then in it search for, and you will see the wireless display listed over here. Over here right now it's not showing anything because I have already installed it over here. That's why the optional feature is not listed over here. So for you guys who does not have installed it yet, it will be shown over here. Then what you have to do is click on the wireless display option that you see over here, and then click the install option. Wait for it to install completely and then restart your system to continue with the next step. So that is one. And next what you have to do is make sure the Bluetooth is turned on over here. In search bar type as Bluetooth AC10 and open it and make sure it is turned on. And the next thing what you have to do is make sure the Bluetooth is turned on for your Android mobile phone. Once that is done, you'll have to go to the cast option on your mobile phone. That is, hold on a sec, I'll show you once again. This is the cast option that I mentioned right now. I'll show you where. So click on the settings and it'll be shown like this. You can type cast over here, but only for certain reasons. It may not show. You'll have to go through the Bluetooth menu over here. Click on it. Then you can see over here the cast option. Click on it and your desktop will be shown over here if the Bluetooth of the desktop or the laptop is already turned on. So click on it and select the connect option, and it will take time for it to be connected. So that's that, it's already connected now. So I can go through the second once more just to be clear. Did I miss anything? Hold on a sec. Alright. So yeah, once the Bluetooth is turned on for the laptop and the mobile phone, what you have to do is in search bar type as connect and open it, and it will say the desktop is ready for you to connect it wirelessly. That indicates that everything is ready. At that time, you'll have to go through the settings from your Android mobile phone, click on the Bluetooth menu, and then click on the cast option. Then select the desktop name that is listed under the cast results, which will get you connected in any moment. See, it's already connected. Now one more thing, if this whole procedure didn't work for you, if this whole procedure what I just mentioned over here didn't work for you, what you have to do next is to make sure in search bar type as projection settings and open it, and it make sure this one is set as, generally it is turned, in default it is set as always off recommended, so you'll have to make it available everywhere. And the second first time and the second for the second option you'll have to select first time only as it is. And for the third option you'll have to make sure that it is set as never, so that it can automatically connect without asking you for a pin. If you wish to ask for if you want to see that it's asking for a pin, then you'll have to select the first time. What happens is, I'll close the second and show you what happens next if you selected it first time. Hold on a second, let me turn off the Bluetooth from my Android smartphone and turn it on again in order to reset the procedure. So alright, I turned off and turned on the Bluetooth, and now I'll have to click the cast option under the Bluetooth menu from my Android phone, and then select the desktop name and wait for it to get connected. But it asks for a password, as you can see. Enter your PIN on your device you're projecting from. So basically I'll have to enter the password that's written on the screen over here, that is on the connect tab. That is 9598 0102. And when I click accept on my mobile phone, it gets registered, and it will take a bit of time to get it accepted over here. Hold on a second, I'll have to re-enter the phone. I have to re-enter the mobile phone. I have to re-enter the mobile PIN again. 95980102. For some reason it says it's still on some kind of bug, so basically I'd recommend to set it as never, so that you don't need to enter the PIN over here. I entered the PIN code 2 times and it seems to be bug. Okay, so it is connecting now. Wait, yeah, never mind, I set it as never, so that's why it's connecting again now. So basically set it as never so that it never asks for your PIN. So that's that, and you know how it works. That's it for today's video, and have a great day ahead.